As always, we'll start by washing our hands. Tomorrow, the Eagles are playing in the Super Bowl, and I'm very excited. I've been a Philadelphia sports fan my whole life, and I can't wait and hope the Eagles win. I need to eat right to get ready for tomorrow. The finest ingredients for these cheesesteaks. Not much prep work is needed when making cheesesteaks. Most of my videos I have to do a lot of work before we start cooking, but this one should be easy. And that's good because I'm very hungry. I also got a large pack of beef on sale, so I'm not going to cook all of it. I'm just going to take a little bit out that I feel like eating now and put what I'm going to cook into the pan. Perfect! Now I'll place the rest of the beef back in the fridge to stay cold. I'll be using Cheese Whiz to go on these cheesesteaks. Cheese Whiz is the way to go. But I want it warm, so I'm going to pop open the jar and scoop some into a nice sauce pot, and I'll use that to warm up this cheese later on the stove. Just a little bit or as much as you'd like. Very nice. We're in business and ready to head to the stove. A quick trip to wash my hands, and then we will proceed. Let's see how everything's looking. Oh yeah, looking good. Now we're in the kitchen and we're ready to cook. Just like Jalen Hurts, Saquon Barkley, AJ Brown, and Devontae Smith. Hopefully I can cook as good as the Eagles offense. Use moderate heat on the cheese. We only want to warm it up. Don't put it on high and burn it. I'm also going to only use a plastic spoon when mixing the cheese, and a new plastic spatula on the steak. I have a whole drawer of utensils and weapons I can use in the kitchen. Look at that. That's a fully stocked drawer. Everything I need. And more. I am also going to toast the rolls. And I still don't own a toaster, but that's okay because I have a method that is just as good. I use this bent coat hanger and I place it directly on the burner and I turn the burner on. This will apply adequate heat and I will simply put the bun on top of the coat hanger and it will toast to perfection. This is a great plan. Everything is cooking great. The buns are toasting well, the cheese is warm, and now, using a second spatula, I'll separate most of the beef. In Philadelphia, you order your cheesesteaks with or without onions. I don't really like onions, so I'm doing mine without. Accuracy matters here. If I miss some of these pieces of beef and don't cook it all the way, that would be bad. I need to have a keen hawk eye and look at every piece of steak and cook it up perfectly. Look at that bun, perfectly toasted. Probably even better than if I put it in a toaster. I'll place it to the side and get the second bun toasted. This is all shaping up really well. And a little seasoning for good measure. Another perfectly toasted bun, and now we're ready to set up these cheesesteaks. The cheese is warm and the steak is cooked. First, I'm going to place some warm Cheez Whiz on the buns. You can see how smooth and runny this Cheez Whiz is. I warmed it up beautifully. That's a good amount of cheese. Now on to the steak. It looks like I cooked the perfect amount of steak. Like always, this was a flawless cook and I did a fantastic job. Plus, this will look even better when it's in my stomach. With a little bit more Cheez Whiz. Now we're ready to eat. Look at this baseball I have. I got this on a field trip to the Franklin Institute when I was in 6th grade. Oh my gosh, that first bite was heavenly. This is so good. Man, the steak, Cheez Whiz, and warm roll is a perfect blend of flavor that is soothing my appetite and filling my stomach. It makes me wish I made more than two. Well, thank you for joining me as we made these cheesesteaks. Let's root for the Eagles in the Super Bowl tomorrow. God bless. Go Birds. Go Eagles.